Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rotate all pages in a PDF file using Power Automate. This is super useful when you have scanned documents that ended up in the wrong orientation or when you need to adjust multiple PDF pages at once. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can create and manage all your automation flows. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on Create to start building your new automation flow. This will open up a menu showing you different flow types you can create. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger actions manually whenever you need them, which is perfect for our PDF rotation task. You'll then see a trigger selection screen. Next, click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point. This means you'll be able to run this automation whenever you want with just a button click. After selecting this trigger, click Create to proceed with building your flow. Now you'll see your flow canvas. Click the plus icon to add your first action, then search for Get File Content in the search bar. Since we're working with SharePoint in this example, locate and click on Get File Content under SharePoint. This action will allow you to retrieve your PDF file from your SharePoint library. In the configuration panel that appears, you'll need to input a site address where your PDF file is stored. Then, on the File Identifier field, click the folder icon. This will open a file browser where you can navigate through your SharePoint folders and locate the specific PDF file you want to rotate. After selecting your file, click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, search for CloudMersive in the search bar. CloudMersive is a powerful API service that provides various document manipulation tools, including PDF rotation capabilities. Find CloudMersive PDF from the results and click See More to expand all available actions. Now locate and click on Rotate all pages in a PDF document. This is the core action that will handle the actual rotation of your PDF pages. In the first field of this action, click the thunder icon to access dynamic content, then select File Content. This connects your PDF file from SharePoint to the rotation action. Next, go back to your Get File Content action and copy the File Identifier field. Return to the CloudMersive action and paste this identifier into the second field. This ensures the correct file is being processed. In the third field, you need to specify the rotation angle. Input a degree value like 90. This will rotate all pages clockwise by that amount, so 90 degrees will turn portrait pages into landscape and vice versa. Now click the plus icon once more and search for Create File, then click it. This action will save your newly rotated PDF back to SharePoint. Input a site address and folder path where you want the rotated file to be saved. Next, input a file name for your rotated document. You can name it something like rotatedpdf.pdf so it's easy to identify. Then, in the File Content field, click the thunder icon and select Output Content from the CloudMersive action. This connects the rotated PDF output to your new file. Your automation is now complete and ready to use. You can save the flow and run it whenever you need to rotate a PDF. And that's it. You've just built an automation that rotates all pages in your PDF files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.